I want to warn you, Bebe Cool, you are very useless, and you don't have common sense, and you are very mad, and you don't have mind. Why are you beating my brother like a dog? You beat my brother Zigzagger like a dog. You give order to your Bamsa to beat my brother Zigzagger, MC from Arua. You stop this nonsense of you today. I just hear that issue today, but I just come and warning you. You have to be careful and you have to be careful. Okay, Bebe Cool. Okay, I want to tell you. Next time you will come to Arua. When you come to us now, you will see what happened. You are very useless and you don't have mind. If you come to Arua, we are going to beat you even the way you beat our brother Zigzagger. Also, you are going to use a same way to beat you, like you beat Zigzagger. You are very useless. I want to tell you, you are very useless. You cannot do anything about me. Even don't joke with the raw people. Even you are going to beat you when you have bodyguard, you have security. You are going to beat you. If you want, if you don't want, you are going to beat you. Don't joke with the Western. Stop this nonsense of yours in that side of Kampala. Bebe Cool, you are very useless. Useless musician. You pretend like you're artist, you're a musician. This musician is for you. I want to tell you, for you and your family. Bebe Cool, you are very useless. I thought that you have common sense, but I know you don't have common sense now. Bebe Cool, you are very mad. You are mad. I want this message to reach up to you, Bebe Cool. Even you cannot do anything about me. Me, I'm called Badman. You cannot, don't fear you. Me, myself, I don't fear you. You see this knuckle? I'll punch your mouth, you see. You beat Zigzagger for what? You're very useless, you're very corrupt. You beat Zigzagger because Zigzagger, they work and you want to eat their money. Now, I want to tell you, Zigzagger is a ringer, is from Yumbe. That's why you cannot eat his money. He's not a bad body. That's why he's going near you. That's why you eat my money. You give your order to Abamsa to beat Zigzagger. You are very useless. I want to tell you, you're stupid. Even you just 10 million, you're fighting, you're about 10 million. Even you say you have money, you're rich, Bebe Cool. You're very useless. I want this video to reach up to you in Kampala. Now you come and face me. I'm here in Arua. Ask just Badman Carlos is where. They will tell you my place. You are very useless. Me ti jogudi me demo moru gara flank all body ngoro. My Bebe Cool, my mayo.